All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to MolarGold Monday morning weekly analysis. Today, I'm very happy to dive into the gold asset one more time. What are we going to look about gold today? All right, so today let's look at what gold will be doing within this week. Okay, so um, we have actually done this last move one, two, three, four. If this last move is our last move, then that is that for it, and this is our fifth wave. All right, but I don't think that should be okay. I don't think that should be. So what I'm thinking is that gold should do something like this, expanded flat, something like this. Then we go for the red degree. Then this will be our wave 4, and that will be our wave 5. Okay. Then we are done with the red cycle, which is this one. We are done with that. All right. We are done with that. But if that is not the case, then fine. Then fine. What are we looking at? We are looking at this one is our wave 4. So this I have already done 1 2 3 like this, and this our wave 4. Then this should be our wave 5, and that is it. Okay, but I don't think this should be like that. So I'm expecting we either had a running flat or expanded flat, and then we go back up, completing the fifth degree. All right. Once we are done with the fifth degree, remember this is the first move. This is the first move. Let me do this. This one is like this: 1 2 3 4. Then we end in a 5 like that. All right. So this is the red degree, and then once we done, we should be looking for this one. This one, 1 2 2 and 3. Then we should get a correction probably to somewhat this trend line, and then we move up back up. All right, let me squeeze the chart like this. Yeah, something like this will be perfectly fine. So this, let me change the color to blue. So we have the blue degree, which is 1 2 3, and then we get a correction like that: 1 2 3 4 5. Once we are done, we should impulse into this box, and that is where the cycle would end. Okay, when we get into this box, that is where the cycle will end. The blue box is where the cycle is going to end. Okay, where's the blue box? The blue box is somewhere around the 2098 to 2126 levels. To 2098 to 2126 levels, that is where we should be expecting some sales. So when we get into this blue box, we should be expecting some sales. All right, we should be expecting some sales. Some crazy sales should start happening. All right, and that would complete our whole cycle. That will complete our whole cycle, which is like this. I think I've drawn it on the chart already. So the cycle should look like this: with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, and then with 5, and we are done. Once we are here, we are done, and then we should expect 5 waves to the downside. All right, that's what we expected. This is what we expecting for this very week. This what we are looking for. We are looking for this kind of movement in gold, right? Once we have this move, or we complete with this cycle, we should be thinking about sales. Okay, our main concern right now is here. Our main concern right now is here, where currently price is. Sorry, where currently price is our main concern. All right. So what am I saying is our main concern? We have three moves right here. We have three moves, which is 1, 2, 3, and we are done. So if this is also a three move, 1, 2, 3 like this, which makes an expanded flat, it should give us a 5 wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I always look for expanded. I don't look for running. Right? We can have a running or expanded. Then that would give us a correction like this, 1 and then 2 like that, something like this, and price should start going up. Okay, all right, this is what I am looking for. If we get this, perfect, we are good. That's okay. If we get this, that's okay, we are good. Right? If today is your first time, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and then leave a comment. Okay, MolarGold on Telegram is where all the action actually happens. Okay, the Telegram channel is where all the actions happen. So don't forget to also join the Telegram channel and then follow the live commentary, the signals, and also the actions right from there. All right, guys. So this is what I'm expecting with gold today. I'm expecting that we should have expanded flat. Don't forget, we can also have a running flat. Okay, we can also get a running flat. It can just come somewhere here like this and then back up. All right, but I am looking for expanded flat. I always like the expanded flats. I always like the expanded flat, and then we go back up. All right, then we complete our red degree. Once we complete the red degree, we should be looking for the blue degree. And the blue degree, finding it is very, very simple. I think by Wednesday, we should be looking for the blue degree. Okay, so for now, we can start to pick some cells, but be very, very careful with the cells because market is not in the sell directions. All right, David says, good morning, please the Telegram link. All right, so the Telegram link is actually under the bio. All right, it's under the bio. Okay, so you can click on the bio and then you get all the other links too from the bio. All right, David. Okay, guys, so and you can see the Telegram link is also here. That's it right here. That's it right here. You can also search it on Telegram, MolarGold, and then you just join. All right. Okay, so guys, this is what we are looking for. If this thing, okay, because we've already broken the top, all right, let me confirm that if we actually broke the top, let me confirm that. Unfortunately, it looks like we didn't break the top. Let me zoom in and see. Guys, we didn't break the top. I'm sorry, we didn't break the top. Okay, we didn't break the top. Okay, we didn't break the top, and because we have not broken the top, we should expect a regular flat. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so somewhere here is fine. Somewhere here is fine. All right, let me quote the prices. Let me quote the prices for you. I know a lot of you always want me to quote the prices, so let me quote the prices. Okay, so the prices between 2079, 2079, that is the price. So somewhere around 2079, we should start expecting some buys starting to happen. Okay, 2079, we should start having some buys to the upside. All right, 2079. So price should just come somewhere here. Price should just do something like this and then back up. Okay, something like this and back up. All right, something like this, and then up we go. Okay, so guys, um, 2079 is the price. 2079. Okay, somewhere 2079, 2078, we should start seeing the buys. All right, Emmanuel Atu says big shots, Dr. Mola. And then Shibru, or did I get the name right? Shiburi says, I'm here. All right, you are welcome, Shiburi. Okay, if I get your name right. Okay, you are welcome. You are welcome. This is where all the actions happens: Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday. So Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday, I give the analysis, and then we follow that with the signals in our main channels. All right. So yes, we should expect some buys in between these areas. We should expect some buys in between these areas. Okay, we should expect some buys in between these areas to the upside. All right, that is what we are looking for. Danayao says, good morning, Doc. Danayao, good morning. Hope you're doing better. Oh, Charlie, how good do I'm? Grace is speaking for me. All right, I hope he's also speaking for you as well. Okay, guys, so that is it. Today we are expecting gold to make the drop into these levels, somewhere inside these levels. Okay, somewhere inside these levels. Once we get it, we should start thinking buy. Okay, let's think buy. Paul says good morning. Good morning, Paul. All right, so that is that. This is what we are looking for. We did not break the top, guys. We did not break the top. I first said that we broke the top and we are expecting either a running flat or expanded flat, but we did not break the top. We did not break the top. Okay, so we are expecting a regular flat. So somewhere here, price should start going back up like this. Right, that's what we are expecting. That's what we are expecting. All right, so if you are taking the sell, that is good for you. You can take the sell, but be very, very careful. I wouldn't like to take any sell. I would love to take the buys from right here. All right, and that is what I'll be looking for. I won't go for the sales. Okay, guys, so we look at all of that. We've looked at what we should be expecting this week. So this week I said that we should be expecting market first of all to go to the upside. If this is not all the move, if only this is not all the move that we are having for the fourth degree, the wave 4, and then this is our wave 5, and that completes the cycle, and then we should expect this blue degree of sell. Okay, this blue degree. If that is not it, then we should look for buy right here. We should go back up, and then we get this blue degree wave 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 down, and then we go back up into the zone. All right, the zone where we are looking for. The zone is 2098 all the way to 2126. When we get into these zones, before you start thinking of a sell, when we get here, don't think buy again, think sell when we get into this zone. All right, so that is that for today. We would meet again on Wednesday 8:30 GMT. We would meet again, and then we are going to dive into what market did from today all the way to Wednesday, and then we continue with the analysis from there. If today is your first time, don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that anytime I come live, you will be notified immediately. Anyways, for now, my name is Dr. Mola, and I say